The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. In the past 24 hours, the Russian armed forces have continued launching attacks by high-precision long-range air and sea-based armament at the military control and energy systems of Ukraine. All the assigned targets have been neutralized. The Russian troops delivered a fire strike against units of the 14th and the 92nd Mechanized Brigades of the Armed Forces of Ukraine and foreign mercenaries close to the settlements of Petropavlovka, Peshchanoye and Berostovoye in Kharkov region. More than 40 Ukrainian personnel, 4 armored fighting vehicles and 3 pickups were eliminated. At Krasny Liman direction, the Russian troops successfully impeded the enemy's efforts to cross the Zhorobets River at night close to the settlements of Stelmachovka, Rozovka and Rygorodok of the Lugansk People's Republic. The Russian troops eliminated more than 30 Ukrainian personnel, 3 armored fighting vehicles and 2 cars. At Nikolaev-Kryvyi Rog direction, the Russian aerospace forces conducted missile strikes to engage units of the 60th Infantry Brigade and the 35th Marine Brigade of the Ukrainian Armed Forces, as well as units of the Foreign Legion close to the city of Nikolaev and the settlements of Novovoskresenskoye, Bezemennoye and Trifonovka in Kherson region. In 24 hours, over 120 Ukrainian personnel and mercenaries, 8 armored fighting vehicles and 12 cars have been neutralized. In total, 324 airplanes and 161 helicopters, 2,278 unmanned aerial vehicles, 383 anti-aircraft missile systems, 5,891 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 873 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 3,489 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 6,652 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.